I just installed a skill exactly the way Claude wants you to, but I'm about to delete it in 30 seconds, and here's why you should too. So I installed the skill, but it's hidden inside this hidden folder here. So Claude, like these dot files, these are hidden folders here. And if you look inside, this is where Claude is storing my roast skill. But if you've been following me at all, you know I like to build knowledge bases and memories with folder structures that you own. So we're going to actually have Claude delete it. Claude, delete the roast skill that we just created. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow the skill to be built into our folder structure that we can have any LLM point at it. It's easy to see, like you actually have to specifically allow these hidden folders to be shown. And it's going to create a skill down in here that we own in this folder structure and that we actually back up. So if we lose this machine, we have it. It's not stuck in this .claude folder. And yeah, that's what we're going to do here. And there it goes. It's deleted the skill. So now we can see that it's no longer in there. And what I've actually created is a skill for the community. And the way that this folder structure is set up, it's actually set so you can port new stuff into it, and you can set up this folder structure workspace, this memory system, alongside what you currently have, and then slowly add it in. So here, I'm going to take the skill, and I need to get it inside the inbox. Yeah, so this is how if you owned this workspace, you would actually do this. I just dropped a new skill into the inbox. Go ahead and read it and get it installed. So in the community, we're going to be adding more skills to this workspace, and this is how we'll be able to do it. And what it's going to actually do here is it's going to create a skills folder inside this workspace that we own here. So let's let it do its thing and then speed it up a little bit. All right. So what you can see here is that it created the skill inside of our workspace, and we can actually see the skill. It's this roast skill here. But what Claude does is it just creates a pointer to the skill. So if we look at this skill file here, this one it's the thin pointer at the actual file here. So it tells it what it is, but say this is just a pointer, and this is where it goes when we actually invoke this skill. So then if we come back down to here, we look at this. This is the actual skill that we built out, lives in our workspace, but now you can still use it where it shows up here as roast. So I guess that comes down to why would you want to do this? The number one reason is files and folders that you own that can go across any LLM are far superior to having things stuck in Claude or stuck in ChatGPT. And then actually knowing how Claude stores your stuff or ChatGPT stores your stuff, it's a huge win in my book, and it's how we teach everybody in the school community, and there's other great communities that are doing this too. The Clief Notes community on school, and Jake Van Cleef and his ICM system. This is the structure that they used. It's got papers behind it, and some of even the bigger names in the space are starting to adopt this methodology. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this real quick. If you're curious about how all this works, the school community link will be in the description, and maybe I'll see you over there. Take care.